You were taught to get good grades, land a stable job, and work until retirement. But what if that ladder you're climbing is leaning against the wrong wall? What if the version of success you've been sold is actually a carefully constructed trap? That comfort zone you're in. It might be the cage holding you back. And all the security you've been promised? It could be the very thing stealing your freedom. More than 50% of people hate their jobs, but few ever leave. Why? Because money is emotional, and escaping the 9-to-5 isn't just a financial move, it's a psychological battle. Take Mike Tyson. He earned over $300 million but went bankrupt. Why? Because escaping the 9-to-5 doesn't make you financially free. Managing money does. Without the skills to manage wealth, freedom becomes temporary. Money without mastery is a recipe for chaos. You can escape a job, but not your own habits. Schools teach algebra, but not budgeting. We're trained to work for money, not how to make it work for us. We buy things we don't need to impress people we don't like. Why? Because we think money equals happiness. But if you hate how you earn it, no amount will satisfy you. We chase validation, not fulfillment. The real wealth is time, peace, and purpose. And those aren't found on a paycheck stub. Escaping the 9-to-5 doesn't mean laying on a beach. It means facing more responsibility. Now you are the boss. And that means no guaranteed paycheck, no paid time off, just you, your skills, and your mindset. It's terrifying and liberating. But control over your time is the new currency of wealth. Why do most people stay stuck? Because of conditioning. From school to society, we're told to stay safe, not dream big. We're taught to fit in, not stand out. But mediocrity is crowded, excellence is lonely, and that's where transformation begins, in solitude, with vision and boldness. And then there's risk. Most people fear it, but risk isn't the enemy, it's a requirement. Every success story begins with a leap into the unknown. Risk is the toll you pay for freedom. No one builds an empire from a comfort zone. You can't win big while playing small. Cognitive biases ruin us. Loss aversion, confirmation bias, overconfidence. They make us sabotage ourselves. Recognizing these patterns is step 1. Replacing them is step 2. Master your mind, and you'll master your path. Success isn't a math problem. It's a mindset problem. So how do you escape the 9-to-5, really? Start with education. Financial literacy is freedom. Learn to budget, invest, manage debt, and understand taxes. That's power. Every skill you learn is a brick in the foundation of your freedom. Don't just earn, learn. Next, create multiple income streams. One paycheck is dangerous. Freedom comes from diversification. Think. Freelancing, dividends, rental income, digital products. It all adds up. The goal isn't millions overnight, it's freedom forever. Small streams form mighty rivers. Build an emergency fund. It's not sexy, but it saves you from panic and poor decisions. An emergency fund is a financial safety net. Money set aside specifically for life's unexpected moments, like job loss, medical bills, or urgent repairs. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of essential expenses. Start by setting a monthly savings goal. Open a separate high-yield savings account and automate deposits so it grows without effort. This fund gives you the breathing room to take bold steps without fear driving your decisions. Think of it as freedom fuel. It keeps your dreams from crashing during storms. Then, take small steps. Don't quit your job without a plan. Side hustle while you still have income. Explore ideas after hours. Track what works. Trim the fat in your budget and simplify your lifestyle. Use this time to prove that your concept has legs. This isn't about recklessness, it's about strategy. Freedom isn't won overnight. It's built in phases, with intention, resilience, and proof. Small steps compound. Momentum builds confidence. And most of all, rewire your mind. You're not just changing jobs. You're changing identities. From employee to owner. From passive to proactive. That requires a shift deep within. You must believe you're worthy of freedom before you earn it. You can't build a life of freedom with a mindset of limitation. You'll be told you're crazy, that it's not safe, that you're risking everything. But those voices, they're echoes of fear, not truth. The world only gets better because someone dares to be different. Every innovator, every trailblazer, once stood exactly where you are, faced with doubt, and walked forward anyway. That's how change begins. You don't need permission, just courage. So if you're tired of waiting for permission, start now. Escape isn't a leap, it's a series of small, smart steps. The exit is open. Will you walk through it? The clock is ticking. Your future is waiting. The question is, are you ready to claim it? To explore what's ahead in your financial journey? Stick with us. Comment below with the next financial topic you want to see. I am thinking of making a video on building multiple income streams that work for you while you sleep. Let me know if you're in.